Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Estelle. So today I'll be sharing with you guys or creating this pink neon look. If you want to see how I created that, definitely keep on watching. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in again. God bless you all. So if you're not subscribed, sorry guys, I like saying so and so if you hear that, ignore it. If you're not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button, join my family. We have fun here. You just definitely want to join this family. And I'm working hard. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by September. Hopefully by his grace I will achieve that. Somebody asked me, why do you keep saying 1,000 subscribers when you are barely at 500? My response was, speak and it's come to pass, and I'm speaking it into existence. Yucks, that's it. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So today I'll be using the Juvia's Place Berry palette and the Huda Beauty in Rich to be creating this look, and of course I'll be going in with this neon color here. And this look was inspired by I saw her on IG. Her name is SC Defined. So anyways, for my transition area, I'm going to be going into this color right here. Okay, so to build that color more, I'm going to use this color here from Juvia's Place. So I'm going to use this light pink here and blend out that color. I'm using that color again and I'm placing it on the outer corner of my eye. That color is pigmented, like so. Now that we have the eyes like this, I'm going to use this flat brush and I'll go in with this color here. I'll go in with this shade. I keep saying color, but it's color. You know, we're getting used to the makeup. I'm going to use that on this part of my eyes. Let's hope it comes out well. I'm going to go into Huda Beauty palette and I'll pick this shade right here. I just hope this works. So right now I tried to use the Huda Beauty but it's not working. I'll use this shade from here. So now I'm going to go back, match that color, build it up, everything looking good. Right now I don't know if I like what's going on here, but so guys, something came up after walking up, after doing all. I know I was placing that color, it wasn't giving me the vibe I want, so I went back to look at that picture, and the shade of pink she used is quite different from mine. So I figured out I could use this color here. I know you tell me it's a lot of colors, but if you have that type of shade, I'll place the picture somewhere so you guys can see. I'm going to try using this color here, and I'll lightly place it on this. So guys, this is how it's looking so far. So I'll go pop on my lashes, do my liner, and I'll see you guys again. Sit tight, I'm coming right away. Alright guys, so I'm done with my eyes. As you can see, I'm going to go in with the Fenty hydrating primer. I'm going to use that to prime my face. Now that my face is primed, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 340 Curve Copper. I'm going to use that as my foundation today. Going with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey. To set my face, I'm going to use the HUDA Beauty setting powder in Kunafa. You definitely want to keep on watching because we still have one more thing to do to the eyes, and you're gonna love that. I'm going to take the Fit Me by Maybelline matte and poreless powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. To set my contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. For my blush, I'm going to mix these two shades. For the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to use this NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to use the bottom of this thing. That will take very neat. And I'm going to use this, is it neon shade? So I'm going to line my lips, MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. I'm going to use the melted chocolate from Maybelline and the Super Stay Matte from Maybelline as well. This is melted chocolate and this is Girl Power. I'm going to apply this set. So I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Double Touch Lip Gloss, and everything is going as planned, you know that. So you guys know I love when my lips is taken away. I'm going to go in with this Technique Gets Gorgeous highlighter. Holy Michael, like despite my eyes are going red, but you guys forget the eyes and look at this cheek right here. This is called Feeling Myself. Oh goodness me. Alright guys, for my lower lash line, I'm going to use this dark color here. Going back to this shade right here, it's still a color. Alright guys, I'm going to use this Make It Last by Milani. I'm going to use that to set my face. It smells amazing. Ooh, whoosh. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and makeup look of course. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell beside it so you don't miss any of my uploads, and I'd love to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.